So whenever I'm looking to get a camera, one of the most important things to me is how that camera feels in the hand. And that's one of the best things about the RP or the R8 from Canon. I do think they have probably the best grip of any camera. The R7's pretty good too. I even like the Fuji X-T2 and X-T3, X-T4, those feel pretty good. In the hand, the XS10 and the XS20 feel really good. I've made videos on all those cameras on this channel. But this is one of the lightest, most comfortable cameras to use, especially if you're using that 28mm f2.8 pancake lens. What I like about this lens is it has the autofocus, manual focus switch. And I don't really use a lens cap. I just put a filter on there and use it like that. But yeah, just the handling I think is the best thing about the EOS RP. There's several little lenses you can also get. The 50mm f1.8 and the 16mm, which shares the same body as that lens. It's just slightly longer than the 28mm. But yeah, I think this is one of the most important things to think about when you're getting a camera. Are you going to enjoy using it? Because if you're not going to take it with you anywhere, then it's not going to be worth getting. So I think looking at the actual body, the viewfinder works really well. I like that it has a flip screen so you can do some vlogging type stuff. I don't really need a bunch of customizable buttons. That's one thing that you don't have on here. You have some customizable modes there, but you don't really have a lot of customizable buttons. But other than that, just for YouTube videos and stuff, I think it's pretty hard to beat the RP, since you can get this camera on Canon's website for $599 now. It's a pretty good deal, and on eBay you can get it for about the same price. So yeah, not having two card slots isn't a big deal, because Canon's app's pretty good. You can send the photos and videos to your phone instantly if you have that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on. Of course, you're dealing with dangerous radiation and some of that, you know, just like with wireless headphones. But yeah, that's the RP. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and hit that subscribe button, because I'll have a lot more videos soon. I'm going to do some more videos like this, which is showing the handling, showing off some different cameras.